Steve Thomas with SkipperBud's Yacht Center in Sturgeon Bay. I'm going to take you through a new listing, 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Coupe, featuring a black hull and white boot stripe. It does have the optional split in the bow rail, so if you do like to jump off the front of the boat, kind of a slick option. Electric windlass. The perfect combination of a luxury open bow boat along with cruising capabilities with your coupe. You can extend your season, climate control, air conditioning, heat in the cockpit as well as below. And then you also do have overnighting capability for 4, so really a great hybrid. Optional extended shade, so this will telescope all the way back in. Hydraulic swim step, so your swim step here will drop all the way into the water. Sea Ray allows you to choose just a standard transom, or this is the optional aft deck sun pad. Tons of room for sunning and enjoying getting the most out of your swim platform. Very easy to just click back in, and now you have a backrest. Optional teak insert on your cockpit table. Cockpit refrigerator. There's a refrigerator down below as well. Dual 12-inch SImrad tied in with your Mercruiser 6.2 350 horse, so it's the optional 350 horse, the larger engines. Of course, joystick control. Sea Ray has the dynamic running surface option in this boat, which means really levels off the boat and gets you to plane quickly. Convertible bench there. You'll notice seagrass flooring, infinity mat. You also have a single level, so you're not up and down climbing over steps throughout the cockpit. Optional vents on either side, let a little airflow in. Plenty of cup holders, ergonomic armrests. You also have a controller for your Fusion stereo. Speakers up here at the bow. Upgraded sound system in this boat. Sounds fantastic. Upgraded rich cherrywood interior. This table, of course, collapses down and allows for a sleeper in your V-berth. Fridge and microwave. Mid-cabin here. Very spacious, uses almost the entire beam of the boat. So you have it in a Jack and Jill setup, or it can be easily converted by sliding together and adding a couple cushions to make this a full bed. Head compartment with opening. Once again, this is a 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Coupe. Coupe's about a $20,000 upgrade retail. And then you do have a large opening, let in the sun when you'd like. Or close it up. Call ahead to schedule your showing today.